if you're not having a good week so far, this is definitely going to help you. We've got some fake Cave Club dolls. I'm not a huge fan of the whole, Cave Club vibe and doll series and stuff, even though it's one of the brands we do get this side. I think I had Vanessa. I don't even know what happened to her. I was just overall, not a big fan, but obviously, we have to take a look at these. Got them from the general store, and that's basically where I get all my fake dolls. But these are the better fake dolls you tend to get. So we've got the 2 dolls there. This was 130 Rand. Comes with one comb, and so these are based on, I'm assuming, that girl right there and that one. So it is gonna be Tella, and let's see who the other one is gonna be. Roaralai. So, well, they don't look too bad. Like I said, if you're a parent not wanting to spend, the amount of money on original, especially for a smaller child, you can definitely go for these. I wonder if these fake companies ever compete with each other, when it comes to sales. So we've got the stolen logo right there, and at the back it says, "Happy every day. Enjoy the new fashion, experience new feelings. Let's live happily together. Love your child brings you a happy life," according to these guys. And this was made in China for ages 3 and up. So let's take them out. Let's have a look at these girls. It's always so easy to get these out of the packaging. Cool. Whoopsie. Okay, so here we've got these stuff. Roaralai. I do hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And there we go. Everybody's always going on about the articulations. He's got full articulation, like literally everywhere, except for the ankles. I do feel a bit like if I'm gonna bend these, I'm gonna snap them, but I think the more the kids gonna play with these, the looser they will get. I can't say how long they're gonna last though, but the looks and the feels of this doll, not long. But overall not too bad. The face is not horribly printed. We've got some really thin purple hair, and of course very limited rooting. And then so this is this chick. Now let's have a look at the other one. Oof. And her socks just came off. We go again for everybody who loves articulation. Ooh, I'm gonna snap these. My word. Okay, so it does get loose really quickly, which is good. She's got the really cheap dress right there. She's got the really thin blue hair, again with a huge bald spot. Well, the face, at least, it kind of looks like the original Cave Club, except these 2 girls are like, from what I could remember from the one I had, a lot taller, first of all, a lot skinnier, which I think is defeating the whole purpose of Cave Club. I think the whole thing around them is the, how can I say this? You can see these guys, they're Cave Club people. I mean, they work hard every single day, and that's why I've got those like muscular bodies. I don't know where the hell these 2 girls fell out of the bus, but we've got them. I just don't think they ever eat though. And these dresses are terrible. These are one of my least favorite fake dolls, I must say. The LOL that I got from there, and then the Monster High ones, was actually really nice. These ones not as much, but for a smaller child, definitely get these. they are gonna break, but I mean, at least you won't get too much. And I mean, it's $103 for 2 dolls. But I think the toy stores this side charge about, I would say, anything from $370 to about $400 depending. So rather go for these for the smaller children. For the kids, you know, who's a bit older, you can actually look after the dolls. Go for you know, the original Cave Club dolls. So I just thought I had to show these 2 girls to you guys, because I always get fake dolls at the general store, you know, really original store name, the general store, and that's about it. We got these 2 girls. So let's see what we can get next. I'm feeling maybe some Rainbow High, more LOL OMG, but we'll see. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you in the next one.